I'm going to show you how to put bold text in your YouTube description and in comments so you stand out from the crowd. But before we do, like this video because it helps me as a small creator to get my videos in front of more people. So let's jump onto the laptop and I'll show you how to do this. So the way we do this is we're going to use a website called YayText, and basically you put your text in here and it allows you to copy any of these styles. Now some of them are pretty horrible looking, but this is the kind of thing we're looking at. Just a nice small caps bold or small caps compatible. There, let's have a quick look. This is quite a nice one to stand out, but we'll just go with something simple like a bold down here. So what you would do is you would create your description. So we go back here. This is a description from one of my previous videos. Let's just copy that. Go back to YayText. Put that in there, and let's find the style that we like. I'm just going to go for bold serif. So just copy that. Go back there, take that out, paste the new one in, and there you go, save that. Now when we go to the video, you can see it's put it in that font and bold. So you can do this with anything, and the really clever thing is you can do it in comments. Now if you're trying to create attention in your comments, then before you write your comment, you just need to go into YayText. So let's find something we can comment on. Graham Stephen, I like Graham Stephen. So let's say, thanks Graham, always good advice. So we go back to YayText. Thanks man, always the best videos. Copy that one. Go back across to his video, put it in, and look at that. Leave the comment. Boom! There we go. Now we'll stand out way more than anybody else. Good stuff, eh? And it's as simple as that, guys. If you really want to stand out, then just quickly use YayText. And it takes seconds, and it could make all the difference if you're trying to grow your YouTube channel through commenting, because people are going to see it easier, and it also makes your descriptions look a little bit better. So I hope you found that a useful little tip. Super easy to implement. Start doing it now. If you did enjoy that video, hit the like button. As I said before, it really helps me out as a creator, and we'll see you in the next video. And if you want to watch another one of my videos, you can find one up here.